Changing your YouTube TV email isn't done directly inside the app because YouTube TV is fully linked to your Google account. To change the email used for YouTube TV, you must either add a new Google account or transfer your family group. Here's a clear step-by-step guide. Method 1. Use a different Google account. Easiest way. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app or go to tv.youtube.com. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Select Switch Account. Step 4. Choose Add Account. Sign in with the new Google email you want to use. Now you can subscribe to YouTube TV with that account or join an existing family group. Method 2. Change email in Google account. For Gmail users only. Google does not allow changing Gmail addresses, but if you use a non-Gmail email, you can update it. Step 1. Visit myaccount.google.com. Step 2. Go to Personal Info. Step 3. Under Contact Info, select Email. Step 4. Add or edit your email address. Your updated Google login will now work with YouTube TV.